Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve this linear system using the substitution method. The question number 13 in the exercise set. Well, this is a linear system, right, consisting of two linear equations. So we're supposed to choose the substitution method to solve x and y. Okay, so if you remember, the rule for the substitution method is that among four components on the left side of the linear system, I don't have yellow, black, maybe red. Yeah, among four parts, you see, on the left side of the linear system, you want to pick the easiest variable to be isolated. Okay, some of them are more difficult than others to be isolated. Well, which one is the easiest one, you think? It's the one that stands alone, stands by itself, without being multiplied with any numbers or sign, negative signs, So in this case, apparently it's this one, x in the first equation, first line in the green box. So let's isolate this x by moving the other piece in the blue to the right side. Okay, so using 1 becomes x equals 8 minus 2y, right? After moving this piece in the blue to the other side of the equation, the sign in front of 2y changes. It flips from positive to negative. Remember? Negative. Yeah. Well, but this expression is nothing but the equation 1. It's the same thing. All I did was that I just moved this blue piece to the other side, so it appears now here on the right side. Okay. Then, well, I didn't do anything to the equation 2, so let me write that down here, down below. This is our equation 2, right? But this equation 2 holds the same variable, x, here. Okay? Shares the same variable, here, x, here. So, since from the equation 1, this x can be rewritten as 8 minus 2y, yeah, we can replace or substitute this x in the second equation with this expression in terms of y, right? In attempt to eliminate x. Yeah, the main mechanism in the linear system is to eliminate one variable from two equations, right? So that's why entering, let me call this 1 prime or something, because it's derived from the equation 1 into 2. Yeah, 2 is now written differently because this x in the second equation is now replaced by 8 minus 2y. But remember to put that in parentheses, because the x itself is 8 minus 2y, right? This thing used to be x, the x, but it's now replaced or substituted by 8 minus 2y. minus y equals 1. See? So this is just a mistake. Yeah, this is the second equation. Now written in terms of y only. See, x is eliminated. So we can solve uniquely for y. Right? So this is just a simple algebra, so we can distribute 2. So 16 minus 4y minus y equals 1. Okay, 16 minus 5y equals 1. Moving this 16 over to the other side. Negative 5y equals 1 minus 16, which is negative 15. So y, dividing both sides by negative 5, you get 3. So that's the one of the solutions, right? This one is found. But we need to find x, the other one. How do you find that? Well, we can use any of these equations, 1, 2, or 1 prime. Well, why don't we use just 1 prime, because it's written like x equals something, right? 8 minus 2y. So we can just plug in this y equals 3 here to find x. Entering y equals 3 into 1 prime. 1 prime is just an equation transformed from the original equation 1. Okay, it's the same thing. So our x is now 8 minus 2 times y, but y is found to be 3, so let's write that as a 3 here. That was our y, but it's now 3. Okay, so 8 minus 6, 2 times 36 equals 2. So that's another result. Okay, so the answer is x equals 2 and y equals 3. Oops. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, thanks.